everyone, namaste, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chandana. So today, it is also one of the most requested video on my channel. People were asking me to film a video in gym, maybe like make a gym tour or like show how gym is like in Shimal Garden. So I'm going to my workout, and then I just thought like, why not show you the gym? And yeah, let's get into it. So actually, from my student dorm, the gym is about 150 to 200 meters far. So I don't take a bus, I walk because bus is also not very frequent here. That's one of the reason. Another one is like it like gives me a good warm up, and then I go in the gym and I start working out. So yeah, I'll show you the way. It is like this. It's very steep. You just have to go up, and there you can see one building. This is the gym entrance, and you can see the timings of when the gym will be open. You can just make a screenshot. Soon after you enter the gym, you will be like, since we are students, we will be having our Tosca is like student ID card from the university, and they will recharge it here. So we will tap every day and start our workout. This is also like your gym validity card or something like that. You just tap in and you can start your workout. Not only gym sessions, there are also like courses happening here, like cycling, Zumba. You can also participate in that with the membership that you take. So here is a plan. You can just make a screenshot, and you can just translate and understand. So as soon as you come inside, you can see one lobby area here. I'll take you there in a while. So first we will come here. This is one of the course room. So here we have, it's very spacious. Here like some mat workouts or like group activities will be done. So this is one such room, and after this, it if you come here, we have one massaging room. You can see it's very spacious and nice. We have massaging chairs. You can also rest and massage. So this is all there. After this, if you come straight, we have one small space here. Also, they have a small library kind of thing. Please show them there. So small library kind of thing, and there are changing rooms. We will get there in a bit. Before that, this is a physio room. I don't think we have access to it because it's only for the trainers or somebody who is getting it. So this is the physio room, and after that we have a sauna here. We can see this is the sauna area. So relaxing and nice. So yeah. Yes, and then the back side of me, this is stairs which leads to the workout area. So welcome to the lobby area. I'll take you through everything which is there here. So the first thing we have here is a fridge, a refrigerator. So there are a lot of things like milk, egg, and all of that. And then here we have a water dispenser. I'll show you, like you can add flavor of your choice. So we will go today for, yeah, and then it says like how much strong you want the fragrance or like taste to be. I'm going for this, and then I want cold, and then this is start. So you can choose like different fruit flavors here. It's really good, like when you're working out, it gives you kind of that taste, and it is really good. without sugar, of course, and it can like tolerate your sugar cravings also. It's really good. We have a bunch of supplements that's also for sale. Like if anybody wants to buy, they can buy it from here. And then we have a small like coffee cabinet thing. We have a vending machine, and then again we have some protein bars and something like that. So this is a small snack area which is there in the lobby, and you have ample amount of place to sit here and like have a good time with your friends post workout. So that's it. We will go to other side of the gym now. So this is another course room for cycling and mat activities. I personally do my abs workout here because nobody will be here and I can work out peacefully. Adjacent to that, there's one big hall. Again, this is also course room. Most of the times here, Zumba and aerobics will be happening. Yeah, from here you can see the cardio area. We'll just go there in a bit. So we are in the cardio area now. So this area has a lot of cardio machineries. We also have like little machineries here for the legs, abs, and chest. We also have eye wall where you can play with your friends. It's also really fun. Most of the times, like old people work out here. Honestly, guys, coming to the gym and seeing German grandpa and grandma working out is like really a big motivation, I would say. Yeah, they work out really crazy. So now I'll just walk you through changing rooms. This side is for men. Let's just not go there. And then this side it's for women. Let's get in and I'll show you what's inside. Please come. So soon after you enter, you see this is our locker room slash changing room, something like that. You have bunch of lockers here. I think this is the same in the men's room as well. And here there are no locks for any of the cupboards. Okay, so either you have to get one lock by yourself, or it is, for the most part, it is safe because I don't lock it anytime. I've kept my laptop and all sometimes, and it was safe, it was intact. So yeah, this is it. Here we don't have a dedicated changing room or something like that. People here don't shy that much, so they change it here only in this area. So that's why I said it is locker room slash changing rooms. So changing pretty much happens here only. We also have a area to take shower. I'll just show you that, and that might surprisingly shock you. Welcome to the shower area. So come here, the shower area. You can come inside and have a look. Okay, so this surprised me and shocked me very much the first time I came to the gym, because there are no dividers, there are no curtains, nothing, and there are like four showers here. So like people take shower together with zero privacy, and which is very much normal here. So this is how the bathing area is like. And we also have a small powder room here, especially this is for girls. That's why we have two blow dryers as well, and then we have some benches to just sit here and then like get yourself dry and go change. So yeah, this was very shocking to me. And if you are somebody who is seeing this kind of thing for the very first time, please write down your opinion in the comment box. I would love to read them all. So if you guys are just wondering how much it costs to work out here, for 1 month membership it's gonna cost you 39 euros, 99 for 3 months and 179 for 6 months. And then this is for only students. and this is inclusive of all the courses which is offered here, like Zumba or like cycling workouts and all of that. It is inclusive of all. We have two washrooms or WCs there, and if you just go down the stairs, here we come to a area where we can play table tennis, and also here also there are some lockers and also washer closet.
What I love about working out in the gym is nobody judges you. Everyone's focused on their own goals, and people are always helpful if you need support. And honestly, if someone does judge, they usually don't come regularly, anyways. So be consistent and build a strong you. The gym has weights from 2.5 kg least to 250 kg highest. The gym is well equipped, the equipments are top notch, everything is well maintained, and you can literally find everything you need for the solid session. I love the ambience here, the vibe is positive, the space is clean, and it just feels good to be here. For somebody who's interested in boxing or punching, they have some punching bags and also boxing area. The gym even doubles as pickup station for Hermes and GLS, which is super convenient.
I hope I've covered everything in the gym that you've asked for. Maybe if I've missed out something, please ask me in the comment box and I will try replying to your comments. And it was really difficult, guys, to film because there was a lot of people working out and we are not supposed to film without their consent. So I was really waiting for all of them to move out and then take videos. It was really difficult. So yeah, please give this video a big fat thumbs up to encourage me, and I'll make videos about Schmalkalden and my life. So to stick along, make sure to consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as I post a new video. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram, link for which will be provided in the description box below. Having said that, we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay positive and keep on watching my videos. Bye.